Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are installing this beautiful unit from WESTKISS, and everything is pretty much done for you. So if you're a beginner, I feel like this would be the perfect wig for you already. And it's pretty much been like hot combed down. As you can see, it's kind of like basically already flat. I'm gonna go in and further flatten it, but it's pretty much, I'm not gonna use too much spray only because I know that this wig is like pre-secured already. Hairline just to kind of secure it.
Can make a toast. When you're ready, we can head down to mine. Breaking bread with the guys. Been a while, but my people know I'm spy. Didn't even think it was mine. It came easy, but that wasn't an achievement. I've really put in work, and then I speak it how I see it. How I seen it. You already know. Now I've got these people dancing through the steps.
You don't have to do too much for this wig, which I love. Installs from either. Whenever like I get their wigs, when it's black, it's like jet black, like it's like jet black.
I say fuck a hater, only making time when it's Lizzie or a moon.
I remember back then I couldn't get no love. Fuck love, had to go and get my funds up. Stack two, all my money runs up. Pray keeps on coming in up and down. This temptation causing me all of this.
You guys can see it. I'm just gonna add a bit of mousse to just kind of set the curls and define the curls a bit more. So, I'm just going to cut my lace. These scissors aren't the best. I think I'm going to cut my lace off camera and then I'm going to come back because I can't really see. The hair's pretty much done, but I think just to kind of secure it a little bit, I'm just going to put some melting spray on it. Just a bit more. The texture of the hair is really, really nice. It's super soft, like even when it first came, like even though you could tell there wasn't any moisture in the hair, but the curls still felt very, very. Anybody who is a beginner, who doesn't, even if you're an expert and you just want to do hair very strong band. But yeah guys, that's the finished look.